Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about functions, introduction, part of programming in C++ course. Functions are a fundamental concept in C++ and are used to organize and structure code. They allow you to write a block of code that can be executed multiple times with different inputs and produce the same result each time. A function in C++ is defined using the void or a specific data type, followed by the function name and a set of parentheses. The parentheses contain any parameters that the function takes as input. The body of the function is enclosed in braces and contains the statements that define what the function does. Here is an example of a function that takes two integers as input and returns their sum. Functions can be called from other parts of the program. Passing the required arguments in the parentheses, the value returned by a function can be assigned to a variable or used as part of an expression. This code calls the add function with arguments a and b, which are 3 and 4 respectively. The function returns the sum of 3 and 4, which is 7, and this value is assigned to the variable c. The code that outputs the message, the sum of 3 and 4 is 7. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.